You are about to consume meal prep by AllMax.
All right.
Okay, it's a complete meal in a protein. And I've got two flavors, banana nut bread, B&B. Other one's blueberry cobbler or BBC.
Not to be confused with BBC.
I know that it says BBC on the cup. It's really just banana, it's really blueberry cobbler.
Well, now I'm disappointed.
Now I gotta ask you, which one you gonna take first, the BBC? Do you wanna save the BBC for later, or you just rather take it now?
And I love banana nut bread. I love my nuts. Oh man.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I gotta go in for another. You taste the oats like immediately.
Do you?
And you taste the nut bread.
Oh, okay, okay.
There's a hint of banana.
Okay,
It's good.
I'll say I like the blueberry more.
okay.
Yeah, I like that one more.
All right.
This is good, not bad. That's better.
You like banana nut bread?
This is the blueberry, yeah? Blueberry cobbler. Not bad. It has like a bread taste, which is very odd. Like you taste the blueberry, but then it tastes like wheat at the back.
Going for the BBC.
Ooh, make sure you're ready to handle all that.
It's like a blueberry muffin. Banana nut bread. Okay, they're both really good, honestly. It has banana flavor.
The blueberry is better.
Okay,
It's,
okay.
as the kids would say, bussin'. But
That's amazing feedback, dude.
yeah, I could eat this for a whole meal.
You
Easily.
could? Yeah.
Easily.